Once again, warm welcome to all the viewers of this channel. This is Ritwik again. As our channel is named as Creative Minds, let us have a brief introduction on the outline what this channel is going to do. You might watch some videos regarding the creativity, innovation, and the difference between creativity and innovation. So now I'm going to outline the contents of this channel. I request you to please subscribe this channel for more videos on the contents of Creative Minds. Let us just have the outline of the contents. Yeah. So, as you are aware that our channel is named as Creative Minds. What is the reason behind naming this channel as Creative Minds is that we are going to intervene several mindsets of the students and the visionary aspects of the students. This channel mainly aims at a principle called as vision into mission. It is named as vision into mission. So this channel aims to bring the visionary aspects of a student at a low level background or high level background or whoever it may be who watch this particular video or a vision. They can obtain the visionary skills and we are opt to bring up the visionary skills to a mission. So that is the main outline of this channel. So this is the introductory video, and with this you can come across the various contents that we are going to upload in future in this channel. Let us just have a brief outline on the contents. Basically, this channel is aimed to focus on the CSE students on any background. It may be engineering, it may be degree, it may be on any background on their own vision. So the students can own their own vision, and upon the substantial feedback, we can go across to the other skills as well, other backgrounds as well. So that is the main option of this channel. So this channel primarily focus on the programming aspects. These are the essential aspects for CSE background students to build the code. Code is the major part and coding is the primary part. And this channel mainly brings the basic background of programming. The programming aspects will be taught in an idealistic way. It might be a gaming approach. It might be a song. It might be some aspects taken up from the movie, or it might be taken up from a real-time perspective. So likewise, we have classified the entire channel videos into clusters. So the primary cluster is the programming aspects, and thereby we on to the computer networking aspects, where we are going to design some interactive games and innovative ideologies and innovative videos on computer networks. All the aspects that we are showing now will be taught by several faculty, several other faculty of various institutions. They can taught some of the aspects, and we are going to upload those aspects in this particular channel. This channel mainly aims to bring a creative interactive course structure where the computer science student can learn his own subject. We are not providing all the substantial backgrounds, all the depth and width of the subjects, but every topic is concerned with the depth and width, and we are going to give the depth and width in this through this particular channel. This is the blended way of learning. Perhaps most of the students can utilize this channel for having a good background, good applicative background in several sort of applications. With regard to the programming aspects will be taught in a generalistic way. The key aspects like data types, how to write a program, what is the program structure, and a real-time example for a program. So likewise, we are planning for videos on the programming aspects basics. With regard to the computer networks, the basic OSI model and the structure of OSI model, and how a network looks, what is a network, what is network connectivity. These aspects will be covered in computer networks. And with regard to the computer organization is concerned, the basic organization structure consists of some gates, some registers, and all the aspects. Those will be taught. And apart from that, we are going to deal with the several architectures that are available in the computer organization. Those will be taught. The basic level of computer organization will be taught in this particular channel. And with regard to the operating system aspects, this is the major important concern subject that every student looks. So in this, we are going to taught the aspects of basic operating system. What is operating system? How the operating system looks, and what are the various functions of operating system? What are the basic principles of operating system? So these aspects will be taught in this module. And coming to the database management systems, it might deal with DML and DDL queries. Along with that, we have a couple of aspects of querying. How to ask a query, how to write a query, what is the relationship, what is the ER model, what is an entity, and how the model looks, what are the various models. Along with that, the software engineering, the basic models, how to develop a software, what is the need of the software, and what is the need of software engineering, and what are the various models that are available in software engineering, along with the concerns of the various technological developments that take place in software engineering. There may be some tools that are going to develop, that are going to be developed, that are available as well in the marketplace. Some of the aspects of those tools will be taught in this software engineering. Every relational video will consist of three things. Mainly, the content available in this particular channel, the pedagogy used in this particular channel consists of the application prospect. It might look like a game. It might look like a song. It might look some visualized prospectus. Let me explain with an example. Suppose I want to write a program to find whether a number is odd or even. Suppose let us consider two numbers, 2 and 3. I need to identify which number is odd and which number is even. So there is a bit of confusion for us to know which is odd and which is even. What is the prospect to understand whether a number is odd or whether a number is even? So this is the primary question that arises. So we'll compare these two numbers with two elements. I'll take a phone, I'll take a charger. So which element is going to break? What is the property for breaking that particular element? Mobile phone will ultimately break because it has the condition or the perspective of glass. So likewise, we can learn the particular topic in the application perspective. To learn in an application perspective is the main motto of this particular channel. And this particular program is concerned only to make students visualize their ideologies, identities of all the aspects available in computer science into a missionary aspect. So into a mission perspective. That is the main objective of this particular channel. I hope you all enjoy the videos, upcoming videos coming further. in this particular channel. There may be some games. There may be some interactive sessions with good academic faculty available. There might be some workshops as well, which might show you a good path towards the program. Our strategy is to build a pedagogy that is adaptive with COVID, a COVID-19 adaptive strategy. The contents that we are going to deliver in this particular channel might get some upgradations as well. Depends on your feedback. I trust only in the viewers, because viewers are the backbones to motivate or to cultivate. I deserve for more motivation than the cultivation. Deserve this channel as a motivation syndrome to learning perspectives. Whatever might be the things that you vision nowadays, we need to seek the other aspect of the vision. When we see a coin, we will only see only one part. We do not see the other part. Perhaps I deserve to see the other part of the coin, which is essential for all of us. It is a building block of technology where a student can interactively promote his learning with a COVID-19 adaptive platform. That is the main concern of this particular channel. I hope you all are aware to learn the things, because COVID makes everyone to seek the learning perspective, and we are supposed to learn whatever might be the situations that occur outside to upgrade ourselves, to upgrade our lives, to upgrade our motivations. This might seek various motivational spirits to develop among ourselves, and to waken up from the conservative thinking to conservative thinking. That is the main motto of this channel. It may be conservative, it may be conservative, whatever might be the thinking prospects that are available now for us might get some saturation through this channel. I hope you all enjoy this channel and promote this channel and make this channel a successful one. This reservation is meant for ourselves to inculcate the growth of learning, to inculcate the growth of training, to inculcate the growth of our vision. It's a vision building prospect. All the interventions that might take through this channel are conservative in nature, and you can easily adapt towards the technological growth. The technological development that we deserve in this particular channel will give you an outcome based learning. That is the main objective of this particular channel. A learning that is never stopped. So that is our main vision in this particular channel. I hope you all subscribe this channel, and I deserve to own this channel for yourself, because the conservative programs that are going to upload in this channel in future might give a visionary aspects of learning to you. And I hope you will all enjoy this channel and promote this channel and make this channel a successful one. Thank you all for watching this video. Subscribe this channel for more videos on creative minds. Creativity is not stoppable. And I would like to conclude my video with the quote of APJ Abdul Kalam. Creativity leads to thinking, thinking leads to knowledge, and knowledge is the one thing that makes you great. So let us all seek for the knowledge and make ourselves great. Thank you. Namaste.